Unraveling the Future, using soon in simple future tense. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to dive into an interesting area of English grammar, specifically within the simple future tense. We'll be focusing on time expressions, and even more precisely, how to use the word soon. So, let's unravel the future with soon. Firstly, we need to understand what the word soon means. In English, soon is a time expression that denotes something happening in a short period of time from now. It doesn't tell us an exact moment, but it gives an idea that the event is not far off in the future. For instance, I will call you soon means that the person intends to call you in a short while. The word soon is often used with the simple future tense, which talks about actions that haven't happened yet but are expected to occur in the future. In this tense, soon usually comes at the end of the sentence. Here are some examples. I will finish my homework soon. She will arrive soon. We will eat dinner soon. Remember, soon can also be used with other future tenses like future continuous or future perfect. But that's a topic for another video. Soon can also be used in negative statements in the simple future tense. The negative form is made by adding not before the word soon. For example, I will not go to bed soon. He will not leave soon. Soon can also be included in interrogative sentences. It typically appears at the end of the question. For instance, will you be here soon? Will they finish the project soon? There you have it. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how to use soon in the simple future tense. Remember, practice is key when it comes to language learning. So, try to use soon in your daily conversations as much as you can. And, of course, we will meet soon with another exciting topic. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.